Good morning! I'm at the barn here and we had our first snow last night. Well, not our first, but a bigger one. It started off raining and then it went to freezing rain and then it went to snow. So all of my fencing is kindly knocked down. So I want to show you a little bit of how I clean off my fencing. So our fencing has been not working for a while now. So there's no electric going through it. So it's off all the time right now. So usually if it was not off, then I would have to go and clean it off, or turn it off and unclip it from the fence so that it was no longer sending pulses or shocks. So when I clean it, I don't get zapped. But I don't have to do that right now because it's not working anyways. So basically the snow weighs it down and I give it a little shaky. The horses do not like this part because they expect it to zap them. So they usually run away, but they are over here eating hay like good babies over here. So I'm on the other side and I've already lifted up the fencing already on that side of it. So it's much better over there, but we're working our way around and this is where we are now. So I give it a little shake, the bottom line too, little shake here, and then whatever does not, I just kind of run through it here, pull off all the snow. This is all ice. Whew. And then, so then you can see the one that I just did. It's looking much better, much better. Can actually stand up again. This one's pretty bad, so give it a good shake first. Bottom line. And then we'll go through it again. Already so much better. That guy can stand up a little bit better. All right. Oh yes, likes that so much better already. So as you can see, I still have a lot more fencing out there. Most of this to do too. I started that side over there on the other side of the barn already. So that's my first task of the day here on the farm. Always something to do. So that's my first project. And then I'll get them fed and clean the barn and all those other fun things to do on the farm. So we will talk soon. Bye.